Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about drawing in 3D, and basically it's just a little bit of help. If you've been watching the other videos, if you need to change this to no fill and an outline of a light gray, you can't see it on the screen to change out the different parts. But if you take your rectangle tool, much like the yellow box, and fill it in with black, and then put it in the back of the page, you can easily see. You can even turn it to white. And I would always use a lesser of a gray to start out with. And then you're just going to contour it to the inside. And the magic happens. But you can see the whole thing, and you can delete your box. And there's your squiggle. And so that's a new trick called the black box trick. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.